Good morning. I'm Mega Night live here outside the Wise Market at Towson Place. We're here for our Fill the House campaign to benefit the House of Ruth, Maryland. I've got Franz Kraus with me from Wise Markets. Franz, you guys have been such a big supporter. Why do you do this year after year?
So we are proud to serve the communities that we serve in every day. This has been a proud partnership for 6+ years now, and so we love to be a part of this and hopefully be a positive here to end the violence against women and children. So.
Very good. All right. And I've also got Johnny Rice from Coppin State. You guys also a big supporter of House of Ruth. Tell me how that works.
Well, the House of Ruth Maryland has the Men's Greater Than Violence Initiative, and I'm a part of that. As a criminal justice educator at Coppin, I thought it was important to use my influence as other men in the initiative to affect positive change and to speak out and to speak up against domestic violence. The House of Ruth has done an excellent job of keeping families, particularly children, and victims of the DV safe.
All right, Johnny, thank you so much. Come on down.